Hi guys, it's almost my birthday and it's almost my birthday. It's November 24th. So look what my mom will give because I am not at Boracay right now. I am still at Manila. Naik. This is my mom's gift me and I don't know why. I will gonna open three of them and if I done opening them, the three of them, and you will go to the comments and what I gonna pick the number next. So get ready. Get your popcorn. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I don't care about it. So let's go. What I'm gonna open, and it's almost my birthday, so it's 24. And that's my birthday, November 24. So I'll pick 24. Where is 24? Where is 24? Where is 24? Oh, it's there. 2024. Lego to. Ito, hindi ko ano to.
Kabakas kayo naman dyan.
Ito. Ito si Santa. Sa labas na lang siya.
Yan! Sir! Bilis!
Ito, aeroplano.
Paano malilinis to?
Helicopter. So, ayan. Helicopter na po ako. Ano yung babae? Kasi yung tingnan sa likod. Yung sa likod, tingnan nyo guys. Ito sa likod. Kaya umiyak kapag baliktad. Kasi yung babae kasi mayroon dito babae. Kalimutan ko saan ko nalagay. So, kapag tapos ko na, alisin ko. So, ano, next, yung babae, alam ko dito. Ay, hindi siya. Akala ko yung
Sorry na! Sorry!
Hindi wala siya lalagay. Ayan na nakuha ko. Bulok. So, makuha ko isa. Let's go. Ito, pipiliin ko naman yung 18. I'll close it. Bang! Nakuha ko siya guys. Ito kasama kasi yung controller na to eh. Kasama yung color black na yan. So let's clean this up. Lagay nyo pala sa comments yung gusto mo na number. Pipicture ko muna to. Sorry guys, hindi ko na pipicture kasi naglalag ako. So sa next video na lang pipicture ko yon. So let's go clean it. Okay na guys, and ito yung sabi ko ng babae. Ito, kasama. And ito, Santa, gusto ko to. Si Granny, gusto ko to.